7 and 4 would be down like this. I don't know what you're thinking there.
I wasn't thinking of. Oh, it's a clock.
Yes.
I knew 9 and 3. I never knew it was a clock.
Hello?
What's going on?
Pardon me?
What's going on?
What do you mean what's going on?
Well, didn't know what you're just doing over here and stuff.
Why do you need to know what I'm doing over here?
Well, there's been some drug dealing going on in the neighborhood. In fact, a guy's been arrested.
Really? And you feel safe walking out and approaching someone you think might be a drug dealer?
There's not a drug dealer, but some of the ones that come up.
Okay.
It seems like a fairly decent. So we just neighborhood watch just to make sure
Gotcha.
things aren't hanging around that shouldn't.
100% none of your business, but it's my 15-year-old and I'm teaching her how to drive a car.
Okay. Well, we see a lot of people out here evidently doing driver's ed and stuff, but we just kind of
So
try to check, especially if they just sit. And usually we see them, drive.
all right, well,
stuff,
I'm losing sunlight, so I'm going to get back to what I'm doing.
Okay.
Now is it red? Says recording?
Yeah, it's counting.
Okay.
First.
Nope. You just went into fourth.
First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth.
Reverse.
Where the freaking heck is fifth?
Well, you went
then?
too far over. It'll naturally
Fifth?
move. That's reverse. You got the clutch in? Okay, you're good. No! Jeez! Yeah, but it's too much. That was more than
so much power, and I'm trying.
Go that way.